camera.
Yeah, I got it. I got
it. If there's anything you need, just ask me.
Okay. Hey guys, how you doing? Listen, made a great video. I can't figure out how to get it to YouTube from that new camera to the computer to this to... So, I'm going to have Jean teach me how to do it tomorrow, because today I'm over it right now. I could just, throw everything away. But I'll be in a much better mood tomorrow. So anyway, while I was at the store, I bought a pound cake, and I thought, oh my God, I want one so bad. And I'm telling you, I'm not making a pound cake, so I bought one. So, but what did Brainiac do right here? I put the potatoes, I put the 5-pound bag of potatoes on the pound cake and it smushed it. Well, I thought, crap. That's not going to work out so well. So I'm going to tell you right now how I'm going to solve this little fiasco. So, okay. Poor little pound cake. So I am just going to cut this up into chunks. Not too big of chunks, but, Oh, yeah, it all broke. Now, if you had one of them fancy, schmancy bowls that has the thing on them, that sticks up down here, it'd look a lot better. But I don't. So, I got some pie filling. And next you add Cool Whip. No, I'm not going to drop it. Maybe. Okay, put a layer of Cool Whip on there. Then you put a couple more pieces of pound cake on top of that. I don't have to cut it because it broke off by itself. Okay. What I have so far. And then you put more pie filling. You could do any pie filling, apple, peach, whatever you have, but I got this cherry because it was the only one they had at the store. And actually, I just like the juice. I don't particularly care for the the fruit. So, one time on our bowling league or a teammate says, what kind of pie do you like? I said, strawberry. And she goes, oh, well, I'll make you a strawberry pie. I said, wait a minute. I said, I don't like the fruit. I just like the, the gel from it. So she comes and she brings me a strawberry gel pie. I was in heaven. Heaven. Okay. Fancy Smancy here is going to put a cherry on top. And that's what you do with a cake that was damaged. Okay, and what do they call that? A trifle? Something like that. Anyway, we'll stay in the refrigerator. Especially if you have a handy dandy little cap to put on it. So this is our dessert tonight. So try my best to get that daggone thing to work tomorrow, or get it through my head on how to get it to work. And we'll have the potato soup. Oh my God, it turned out so good. So anyway.
Show them a picture of it.
Oh yeah, I could. It looks even better than it did before. I didn't use a thing. Okay, I will show you the potato soup. Can you see it? Ooh. So I will show you the video on how to make that tomorrow. And I'm sorry guys for my hair. I don't know what the heck's going on. It's just, it's standing out. I feel like, what's those bird cockatoos? You know what? So anyway, I'm sorry. It looks dirty, but it's clean. And it's just...
Yes, it's clean.
It's just sticking out. Well, I think I used your shampoo. And that might be it, because she's got thin hair. And it's made to make you look like you have...
There's some Pantene or Tresemme in there. You should use that. Under the cabinet.
Well,
now I tell you.
Now you tell me? Thanks a lot. Well, I'm not going to snoop underneath your cabinet. Well, now that I know, I'll go next, tomorrow's... I will be doing that tomorrow. So, take it easy. Take the long way home.